Alrighty, babes, so I have not tried any of the products out. We're going to do that on camera so we can get some honest first opinions and reviews and everything like that. But I ordered a few different things. So I got these two really cute satin scrunchies. Like these are so cute. And I will have everything linked down below if you guys want to go check it out for yourself and order some products as well. But yeah, I got these super cute scrunchies, one that's like brown and then one in this like tan pinkish color, just for when I'm wanting to put my hair to the side or even my natural hair. You can even wear these as like accessories and things like that. So these are super cute and I'm already pleased. So let's go ahead and take them out the package because I actually have not taken them out of the package yet. So let's see what it looks like outside. And so the material, you can tell, is really nice. It has some really good stretch to it, but it just comes back. So some people wear them like this, like sometimes to be cute, but you can also like put your hair up as well. You can wear more than one, but this is really great quality. I can just tell from feeling it, and it feels like it's put together really well. So loving this. This is super cute. This is the brown one. And then this is the pinkish tan color. So they are both really great quality, and you can just see, like, look at the silk. So yeah, I cannot wait to utilize these because these are super cute. This is probably my favorite thing that I got from the box when I ordered. So, and so the next thing that I got, babes, is this like scalp massager. So I've heard great things. And so their logo is real cute. Like, I love branding. I don't know if you guys can see that or not. Yeah, but I love when stuff is like branded really well, and it's branded well. You know, like what their name is, what their logo is. And yeah, so I've heard that a scalp massager, like when you wash your hair and condition it, I've heard that this will help to grow your hair and encourage hair growth. So I grabbed one of these and I cannot wait to use it out. And it looks like it's really good quality too. It's super thick. It doesn't look like it's going to break, or the combs or things are not going to fall out. But yeah, you can just see, like, yeah, like this, it looks like this is great quality as well. So I'm excited about testing this out as well. And so the next two products, babes, we're going to actually try out on camera. And so this is going to be their MannaMood Chia Pet Growth Serum. And so this is really, I love the packaging. Like, everything is just really well put together. It looks nice. I'm definitely a packaging person. Like, if I don't feel like you cared when you sent me my package, I'm probably not going to order from you again. So 10 out of 10 for branding and packaging, and products as well. Everything looks like it's really nicely made as well. So let's just go ahead and open up this serum and see what it looks like on the inside. And then I also will probably just go ahead and apply it in between my braids, so you guys can see that as well. Yeah, so the bottle looks pretty nice and big. It has like the squeezy applicator thing. I love that. I really hate when oils don't like have that, so it makes it hard to like apply to your hair. So it's really nicely wrapped. I'm having a hard time getting into it, so you don't have to worry about your oil spilling or coming open or anything like that. So here we go. This is what it looks like. So let's open it up. And again, like I said, it has that dropper applicator there. The oil looks pretty thick as well, so let's just squeeze out a little bit. Oh, it feels good when it goes on. It feels nice and cool. So I would definitely, maybe 3 times out the week at least, just use this oil to go in between my scalp and just making sure that my hair is nice and moisturized. And then I would just go through there and massage it. Don't want to do that right now because I don't want to get oil everywhere and like on my shirt and stuff like that while I'm recording. But yeah, it smells like it has some good oils in there. Yeah, and then I have directions on here. Just says part your hair into 4 sections and apply directly to your entire scalp. Massage scalp for 3 to 4 minutes and then leave the serum in. And yeah, and so it's going to encourage hair growth. And so I'm excited about trying this out because I did need a new oil to make sure my hair is moisturized, and also just make sure my hair is continuing to grow because I shed a lot of hair postpartum. So I'm excited to see what this does for me. And then last but not least, you guys, I also got their edge growth kit. I think that's what it's called. Yeah, the edge growth kit came with this, which is the Manna Chia Growth Edge Pomade, and it says multi-use firm hold. And so it came with this, and then it also came with a double-sided edge brush. And so, you know, sometimes we be being ghetto and we just be using sometimes we be ghetto, we just use a toothbrush, but you ain't gotta do that if you order this edge kit. So it looks like it has like this side, which is like more for like the designs, I believe, and just making it look like real precise, and then it actually has the actual side that looks like an edge brush, and then it's pointed on this side too, so like, you know, if you want to just draw different designs and stuff like that. And so let's actually open up the pomade. So smells good. It doesn't stink or anything like that. And so that's what it looks like on the inside. It's like a dark color. And yeah, and so when I do my edges, I normally just apply a little bit of oil, and then I go ahead and do them, and then I will lay it down with a silk scarf. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go and apply this. Not really good for me to do it on camera because I can't see as well. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go apply this, and then I'm going to come back and give you guys my opinions and let you know how I feel about the edge control. Alrighty, babes, so I am back. Can y'all see, like, it's laid. Like, I don't have many edges out because, like I said, I'm experiencing postpartum shedding, and I ain't trying to lose my edges. Like, I'm just not. So I don't have many out, but you can just see that it's laid really good. It's shiny, and it's just there. It's not going anywhere. First thing I would like to say is that this is a really thick product, and I love that because my hair needs thick products when just in general, when it comes to creams, when it comes to conditioners, when it comes to edge control, it has to be thick or my hair is just not going to take it. So I love that it is thick, and a little goes a long way. So you can see I barely used anything there. It didn't take much at all to lay my edges down. And also it's actually more of a clear color. I guess it just looks brown because of the container itself, but yeah, it's more clear when you put it on there, but it doesn't take much at all, and it actually smells really good. I'm not sure what's in it. There are a few ingredients here on the side. It does have like pomegranate seed oil, so that's probably why it smells good. It just says apply products to edges and smooth with fingertips or brush. And it does also say please do a patch test first. If irritation occurs, please discontinue use. I did not do that, so let's hope I don't break out, but I highly doubt it. But yeah, so I'm going to give this entire haul a 10 out of 10, and I also love that they are black owned because, not to say that other people don't know, but the fact that it's black owned, like, you know what I need for my hair, so I can tell that these products were made with love. And so again, I just got the MannaMood, a Chia Pet edge pomade and edge control brush, which is the edge kit, and then I also got the scalp massager. Super excited about trying this out. I got the Chia Pet, the MannaMood Chia Pet growth serum. Super excited about this. And then I got my 2 super cute little scrunchies. Like, I can't wait to try these out, to put these on, because I have been wearing my hair to the side a lot since I got it, and you can just throw one of these on to make it even cuter. So super cute, super bomb. Here for it.